Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTN HD, and today is all about upgrading our current SQL Server 2012 Service Pack 4 to 2014 Service Pack 3. So let's get started. Now, first things first, I'm going to show you guys what operating system I have my SQL database. If I right click on the Start menu, click on Run, type in WinVer, hit OK, and my database server is running on SQL Server 2019 with build 1809, right? So first thing that we need to do is open up your Management Studio. You're going to locate the database, your primary database. For me, it is BTN HD. But if you have multiple databases, the most important thing to do is back up your database. Now, I only have one major database and it's BTN HD, so I'm going to right click on it, go to Tasks, and pick Backup. Okay, you're gonna get the nice little backup wizard. For me, I receive an error, and this is the error that I receive. And the reason why I received this error is because on the last video, when I upgraded to Server 2012 Service Pack 4, it had the btnhd.bak, and it was trying to overwrite that particular file. So what I did was I removed it. I removed that destination. I clicked on Add. And I hit the little three dots right here. I browsed and I want to drop it inside this location. By default, it drops it in here, right? But it was trying to override this btnhd.bak file. So I wanted to give it another name. So what I did was I provided another name right here in the file name. So I called it btnhd 2012. And you make sure you put a period BAK. Okay, put the extension and then click OK. Click OK. And then once you are done, click OK. And depending on how big your database is, my database is really small. It was really fast. You should get the nice little information dialog box stating that your database, blah, completed successfully. And you press OK. And then if you want, you go inside that default location, which is right here inside MySQL or MS SQL backup. And there goes the file. Now, someone on my last video made a key point as well. Rather than you back up, but also test your backup. Do a restore from your backup. Make sure that backup is clean and you're able to restore with no problem. Okay. So for that individual that left that comment on the last video, thank you for that. So first things first, you need to locate your ISO. And my ISO is 2014 Service Pack 3, 64-bit. Because the file is placed inside a SQL Server 2019, I'm able to double click on it and it's going to mount. And we are going to right click on the setup file and run it as administrator. And automatically it's going to launch. And we need to get inside the installation part. And we're not going to do an existing installation or we're going to create a new install. We need to do an upgrade SQL Server. Click on that. It's going to start loading up. Most likely your ISO has the product key embedded into it. If not, enter it. Click on next. Accept the license and terms. Next again. It's going to start doing the global rules. This should pass. You shouldn't have any issues. Click on next again. If you want, check the use Microsoft updates to check updates. It is recommended. I did it for the heck of it. And click next. It's going to start doing the install setup files. And then once it's done, it's going to go here. Now, by default, if you already have one instance, it's going to pick it by default. If you have multiple instances, you pick the instance that you want to upgrade. For me, it was MS SQL Server. That's the one that I want to upgrade to. I clicked on next. The select features is going to be grayed out. So automatically just click on next here. You don't have to change the instant. Don't bother it. Don't change it. Don't rename it. Just leave it as is. And from here, click on next, click upgrade. The process for me took between 5 to 10 minutes. Once everything's completed, you're going to get this. From here, click OK. It's going to start loading up and click close here and you're good to go. Once you click OK, you would think it's going to restart the machine for you automatically. It's not, so you have to do the restart manually. Okay. So from here, once it's restarted, click on Start. You're going to see a new folder called Microsoft SQL Server 2014. Click on it. And locate your Management Studio, launch it up. It's going to start launching. You're going to get a nice little information about, it's going to try to import your old settings from 2012 to the new Management Studio. It's up to you. I can't really tell you, go hit yes or no. Pick whatever you want. Once it loads up, for some reason, it didn't automatically fill up the server name. So what you could do is click on the drop down, browse for more, and then when you click on database engine, you should see the name of your SQL server, right? Mine was V SQL. So click on it, click OK, and hit connect. And you should be good to go. If everything works well, you should see a new version, which would be 12.0.6024.0. I can't see that far. I'm kind of blind. And I say, guys, that is how you upgrade your SQL 2012 Service Pack 4 to SQL 2014 Service Pack 3. If you have any comments or concerns, leave them at the bottom. And hopefully on the next video, we're going to upgrade our SQL Server 2014 to 2016. And again, thank you for watching, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.